Hello everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Ray Food channel. In today's recipe I am going to show you how I prepare my Ghana chicken stew. So actually this is the part 2 of my first video, which was how to fry chicken. So if you are interested, as usual, let's get started. So here I'm going to add about 1 cup of oil, which is the oil I use to fry my chicken with. You can see it on the right hand side. And then when the oil is hot, I'm going to add my onions, and I have sliced 2 medium-sized onions. I'll leave it to fry for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of red curry powder and 1 teaspoon of dried thyme. You can add more if you like. You can also use the yellow curry powder. Next, I am going to stir it, and then I am going to let this fry for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going to add my tomato puree, and I have got here about 100 grams, which is roughly about 6 tablespoons. You can use tomato paste if you can find tomato puree. I'll leave it to fry for about 3 minutes, and then I am going to blend my chicken broth together with 1 medium-sized onion, 4 garlic cloves, 2 thumb-sized ginger. The onions I fried my chicken with, 3 scotch bonnet peppers, and 3 stalks of spring onions. So now I have blended it, and I'm going to add it to it. I hope you do remember in my first video that I didn't want you to throw away the chicken broth, because this is where we use it. I also saved you the blending part, because I guess we all know how to blend for this recipe. Alright, so now give it a stir, and we are going to cover it and leave it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes on a medium heat. And whilst we are waiting for that, I have got here 6 fresh tomatoes and 1 plum tomato. I'm going to blend it as well. Alright, so this is my stew after 20 minutes of cooking on a medium heat, and I am now going to add it my blended tomato. But first I'm just giving it a little stir. Alright, it is time to add the blended tomato. So as you saw it, I have fresh tomato and plum tomato, but you can use only fresh ones or only plum tomato. It really depends on you. Now give it a stir, cover it, and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes on a medium heat. And this is how my stew looks like after 15 minutes, and you can see that it's coming up together and it smells awesome. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of red curry, then 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, and then I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of all-purpose savory seasoning. And last but not least, I'm going to add my Maggi cubes, and I've got here 1, but you can use 2 after tasting it. Now give it a stir and leave it to cook for about 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible. And then we are going to add our chicken, and remember, this is the chicken I fried from part 1. Alright, so it is now time to add your chicken pieces. And you know, with 1 full chicken, I think I got about 13 pieces, but you can get more if you cut it smaller. Alright guys, so now give it a stir and leave it to cook for a further 10 minutes on the lowest heat possible. Okay, this is a slow cook stew, and this is your Ghana style chicken stew, and I promise you it's amazing. So look at this wonderful slow cooked chicken stew. Alright friends, this was my recipe, and you should really try it because it is excellent. Actually, it is one of my favorite chicken stew recipes. I have got different ones, but this is the ultimate one. So thank you all for watching my video. Thank you all for your support, once again for sharing my videos. Leave me a comment, like, and if you missed my previous video, which was how I fry Ghana chicken from scratch, please go and watch it before you watch this one, because this is the part 2. Thank you all for watching, again for your support. Subscribe, turn your notification bell on, and I'll see you next time. Bye.